Go to Articulate and click on Publish icon. Click LMS and select Location to save your file. For an example, we save on the desktop. Select Presenter's name. On Output Options, select SCORM 2004. Click Reporting and Tracking for further info. Change edition to 4th edition. You can track progress and completion in 2 ways: track using number of slides viewed or quiz result. Click Publish button. Once completed, click on Zip button and save on same folder. You can upload SCORM file in zip format to LMS.